cycling has become very dangerous in Dublin, and unfortunately Donna is another statistic. It's a horrendous tragedy that Donna Fox died here at this intersection at the bottom of Savile Place and Sheriff Street going on to Gill Street. I had a similar accident only a few months ago, less than 100 metres from the same spot. I came down with other cyclists in the Rucker group and put down these flowers on the evening of the accident in memory of Donna. I mean, the truck that hit me 100 metres from here, it didn't see me at all. It actually caught up with me at the intersection. I saw him at the last minute. It was an orange truck with an orange indicator. I saw the indicator only when it was pulling out and it caught up with me. I was going straight, it was going left. I had no option but to speed up and go with him. Otherwise, I would have been just another road statistic, another road death. Like, just right here, Donna was going by. She was just on her way to work to Barra Street. And, you know, this truck turned left. It's a 45-degree turn, not like my 90. She had nowhere to go. She's hemmed in by a barrier. If the money was put into redesigning intersections, pedestrian intersections, this accident probably could have been avoided. You know, in relation to trucks as well, the mechanics of trucks, they're actually not really designed for urban situations. They're really designed for motorways. And the way in which their mirrors are designed as well, there's huge blind spots and every truck is different. I think it should be mandatory for any construction traffic that's in the city to have full ball convex mirrors on the truck that they can see their blind spot all along the way side and also across the front. Do we really want more road deaths of cyclists?